Hello dear students, I hope you all are doing well at your home. Let us start our first topic of computer, that is evolution of computer systems. In early years, when computers were not invented, many devices are used for calculations. And from the invention of computer to till date, many changes took place in technology. So let us discuss about these inventions and these technologies. Abacus. It was the first counting device and created by Chinese and Romans. It was based on place value where a frame was there and beats are there in that frame. They do counting with the help of these beads. Napier bones. This device was invented by John Napier, and this device contains a set of rods which are made of bones. That's why its name was Napier's bone, and this device is used for multiplication and division. Next is Pascaline. Pascaline was developed by Blaise Pascal, and that's why its name was Pascaline. This device was used for addition and subtraction. In this device, some wheels are there. On that wheels, 0 to 9 numbers are initiated. Next is first generation of our computer system that starts from 1940s and remains up to 1956. In this generation, ENIAC system was developed, and in this system vacuum tube was used. This system was created for all the arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and for creating tables. To add two numbers, it takes 0.3 seconds, and to multiply two numbers, it takes 4.5 seconds. But it was used in size, it's very large in size, it's very difficult to design it, and was very slow. Second generation. Second generation started from 1956 and remains up to 1963. In this generation, vacuum tubes were replaced by transistors. Means at the place of vacuum tubes, we use transistors, and transistors transfers its signal with the help of resistors. The transistors were smaller in size and they don't need any form of time. They consume less energy and generate less heat and faster than the first generation computer. In third generation computer, vacuum tubes were replaced by small silicon chips that we call integrated circuits, means IC. They were more reliable, small, and very cheap in price. Fourth generation. This generation started from 1971 and continues till now. In this generation, silicon chips were used, microprocessors were used, and storage devices were invented to store data. What was the microprocessor? It was a large scale integrated circuit, means combination of many ICs that came into the microprocessor. Microprocessor is a type of chip that is used for computer memory and logic, means any logic that is behind any calculation that was stored in microprocessor. In 1971, Intel created first microprocessor. Then in 1976, first Apple computer was created, and in 1981, IBM created first person. Fifth generation computers, the computers which we are using now and which we will use in our future. These computers are advanced in technology and are being still developed. Many hardwares are developing now, many softwares are developing now to enhance our computers processing. We are using silicon chips, more efficient processors, we are working on robotics, we are working on virtual reality, We are making system intelligent means the system can think like human beings, and many programs are created that can be used for translating many languages. Thank you all, and if you have any doubt you can ask me.